In modern networks, computer hosts can act as a client, a server, or both. The software installed on the computer determines which role the computer plays. Servers are hosts that have software installed which enable them to provide information to other hosts on the network, like email or web pages. Each service requires separate server software. Clients are computer hosts that have software installed that enables the host to request and display the information obtained from the server. An example of client software is a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Using web browser software, the client can request the web page from the server. The web server will respond with the web page. Another example is email. Clients use an email client software such as Microsoft Outlook to access email on the server. Clients can both send and receive email messages from the email server.